In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Dropbox language. Whether you prefer to browse in your native language or you're setting things up for someone else, changing the interface language in Dropbox is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the process on the website and in the desktop app, and I'll share a few tips to keep everything smooth. Let's start with the Dropbox website. Open your browser and go to dropbox.com, then sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page for your avatar or profile icon. Click it to open the account menu. In that menu, you'll see an option labeled Language. Click Language, then choose your preferred language from the list that appears. As soon as you select it, the page will automatically reload and the entire interface will switch to the language you picked. This only changes the Dropbox interface. It won't alter your file names or the content inside your documents, so your data stays exactly the way it was. Now let's switch to the desktop app, which works on both Windows and Mac. First, open the Dropbox menu. On Windows, click the Dropbox icon in the taskbar at the bottom right of your screen. On a Mac, click the Dropbox icon in the menu bar at the top of your screen. When the Dropbox panel opens, click your avatar or profile image, then choose Preferences to open the settings window. Inside Preferences, go to the General tab. Here, you'll find the language dropdown. Click it and select the language you want to use for the app. After you make your choice, you'll be prompted to restart Dropbox so the change can take effect. Click Restart Dropbox. The app will briefly close and reopen, and when it comes back, the interface will be displayed in the new language. If you're in the middle of syncing a lot of files, it's a good idea to wait a moment before restarting so you don't pause an important transfer. A quick note, if you don't immediately see the language option, double check that you're on the General tab in Preferences. Also, make sure you're looking for your avatar menu when changing the language on the website. That menu is where account and display settings are grouped. And remember, these changes are specific to each platform, so updating the language on the website doesn't automatically change it in the desktop app. You'll want to set it in both places if you use both. That's it. You've successfully changed your Dropbox language on the web and on the desktop app. Thanks for watching.